What is up, guys, and welcome back to another Instagram tutorial. My name is Wommack, and today we want to be looking at a special effect. It's this one right here. Lil Yachty posted this picture on his Instagram account, and since then you've been asking me how to recreate this look. Now this isn't really just a color look, or actually not a color look at all. It's more like a special effect. It's kind of overlaying pictures on top of each other. So what we're gonna need today is, once again, our smartphone and the free Picsart app, or the free version of the Picsart app. So before we get started, make sure to download that app on your smartphone. And let me tell you, I've also created a huge all presets pack for you guys for the free Lightroom app to switch up the colors. There's over 200 presets in there to just give you some kind of new colors, new effects, better looks to your pictures in the free Lightroom app. That's something else though. That's something we can use in the end. Today we want to focus on this Lil Yachty look. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, hit the notifications bell, and of course, if you have any other requests or questions in general, or ideas for new videos that I can do here on my channel, always feel free to DM me on Instagram. @StevenWommack is my handle, and I'm trying to reply to every one of you as fast as I can. So contact me there. I've said enough. Let's jump right into this tutorial. The first thing we want to do, of course, is open that free version of the Picsart app. So what we do is go over here to Picsart right there, and now we want to open a picture from our gallery. In this case, it's a blue background, so it's this one right here. I've also linked it under this video so you can download it from there. I've prepared this for you. So it's right up here. It's a blue background. That's perfect. This is what we want for this picture. The next thing we do is scroll over, and then we want to add photo here. Now in this case, I'm just gonna choose this one of Pop Smoke because it comes close to that Lil Yachty. At least the hairstyle comes close to that Lil Yachty picture. So yeah, you can resize this here. Now what you want to do is go to cutout down there, and then we want to cut out person. Now Picsart is gonna do this automatically for us. We don't have to do anything, but now you can see the red area is what we've selected. Now we can clean this up a little bit on the sides here, kind of get rid of everything that we want to cut out here. Take that eraser tool, maybe down here. Ooh, we can also return on top. Then we can zoom in to get that come a little closer and get those details right here. So yeah, I'm gonna do this really quickly, really sloppy for the sake of the tutorial, to save you some time. But I think you know what I mean. Now we can also hit restore here, and for example here, in the case of his hair, of his braid, we can restore this with our finger now, and that looks good to me. And now you want to hit save on top, and now you can see that it's been cut out. Everything around here has been cut out, and we can still hit the eraser on top, and then we can zoom in and get rid of those little details that we missed. Maybe I hit the check mark and I increase the size. I pull them over to the side here a little bit, around there. And now what we do is hit that double layer icon on top and hit duplicate, and now you can see there is the next shot here, and we can actually grow the size to around here so it comes close to that Lil Yachty look. And now we have the layer beneath, so I'm just gonna duplicate it again here, and now I can pull this down into the corner around here maybe. Now you can really play around with this. You can also use two different images and cut them out separately, but I'm just doing this right here because it's simpler with only one image. So once we have this, we hit apply, and now the last thing we can do to get that kind of fade look is we can draw over the image. Actually go all the way to the right where it says draw right here, then we go to the color on the left, we hit that dropper icon here, and now we can just choose the background color by tapping it. And then right here, the pencil down there, we want the size to be all the way up, opacity maybe down a little bit, but the hardness all the way down to 0, so it's just super soft on the edges here. And then hit the check mark, and now we can just kind of draw in the sides here to make that fade. For the corners, we want the opacity to be all the way at 100 here. Hit the check mark, and then here in the corners you can really get rid of that background, make sure it fades, And yeah, then we hit apply on the upper right side, and now we can save it on top here, and it's saving, and it's saved to our camera roll, and that's it. And this is it, guys. This was it. Here is our final result, and I think we came super close to this Lil Yachty Gunner Stahl picture. I love the result. Let me know what you think about this tutorial, if it was helpful, and of course, if you're trying to recreate this look, you can feel free to tag me on Instagram. I'm really excited to see what you guys come up with. And of course, if you need that blue background layer to start with, I've linked it under this video. You can download it from there for free. So enjoy that. Thank you once again so much for watching. Also, make sure to check out my all presets pack that I've created for you. It has over 200 presets for the free Lightroom app to just easily paste to every one of your pictures to make them look great. It's linked under this video as well, so make sure to check that out. Subscribe to the channel, hit the notifications bell, and if there's anything you need from me, always feel free to DM me on Instagram. @StevenWommack is my handle. Now, thank you so much for watching. I hope I'll see you in the next tutorial. Till then, stay creative, stay healthy, peace.